ChatGPT is evolving. Now you don't just chat about things, you can do them. Get things done by chatting directly with the powerful services you use every day. And now you can chat with apps inside the chat window directly. Need a party playlist? A simple request gives you suggestions, but with Spotify, you get a rich, custom, ready-to-play mix delivered right in the chat. These apps respond to your specific needs in real time. Ask Zillow to show homes in your area. The results appear instantly. Now refine your search to include a finished basement near a park. The app handles the complexity and updates the live data. Apps that help you do more than ever before. Imagine taking a simple text outline and asking Canva to turn it into a professional presentation by simply uploading a file. From design to travel, you can filter and book. Find hotels in Chicago with a king bed for under $250 a night. You can now choose Booking.com, Canva, Coursera, Expedia, Figma, Spotify, Zillow, and more. All integrated inside ChatGPT. Check it out today.